It's 2025 and the digital landscape has evolved once again. As search algorithms advance, consumer behavior changes, and new technologies emerge, there's one thing that remains constant. SEO is more important than ever. If you're a content creator, small business owner, or entrepreneur building an online presence, these cutting-edge SEO strategies will help you stay ahead of the curve. In this video, we'll break down 7 in-depth, must-know SEO strategies for 2025 that will elevate your rankings, boost organic traffic, and future-proof your digital success. Let's dive in together, and I promise you won't believe what's the 7. 1. The evolution of AI in SEO. If you're not leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, in 2025, you're already behind. AI has become a central part of how search engines determine rankings, making tools like Google's AI-driven multitask unified model, even more advanced than its predecessor, BERT. AI can now interpret content not just based on keywords, but also on context, intent, and even tone. Here's how to stay ahead. Insightful content creation. Write for humans first and search engines second. Focus on answering complex, in-depth queries with expert-level insights. AI rewards content that reflects expertise, authority, and trustworthiness, EAT. AI tools for SEO. Use tools like ChatGPT integrated plugins, Surfer SEO, or ClearScope to craft optimized content that aligns perfectly with search intent. Image and video SEO. AI now scans visual content for context, so ensure your images have descriptive file names and alt texts, and create AI-friendly video content by including rich captions and transcripts. By mastering AI-driven habits, you'll rank higher and provide the ultimate user experience, which we'll talk about in a bit. 2. Search engines are getting even smarter. Master semantic search. Gone are the days of focusing purely on keywords. In 2025, Google and other search engines have upped their game, prioritizing semantic search. They now look at the bigger picture, analyzing the complete meaning behind searches rather than just individual phrases. Focus on topics, not just keywords. Instead of targeting isolated keywords, structure your content around broader topics that connect logically. For example, instead of creating separate posts for best smartphones and affordable smartphones, craft a comprehensive guide. Build content hubs. Create interlinked pillar content for broad topics and cluster it with related subtopics. This tells search engines that you are a reliable source for that subject. Let's think about this. Users are searching more naturally, and Google's job is to think like a person. If your site provides thoughtful answers in a logical order, you'll earn Google's trust, and with trust comes higher rankings. 3. Content quality over quantity. Depth wins the game. By 2025, most search engines now prioritize the depth and quality of content over how much content you're publishing. Remember when blogs would cram in random keywords or post shallow articles weekly? Not anymore. Google continues to reward long-form content. Articles that go deep into a topic and provide detailed, actionable information. Aim for posts that are comprehensive and over 1,500 words, but only if they genuinely provide value. Original research and insights. Sharing your unique data, surveys, or professional opinions will help build authority. Multimedia integration. Add interactive elements like videos, infographics, and calculators that engage users and encourage them to stay on your page longer. In short, quality content positions you as an authority, keeps your audience engaged, and makes Google happy. 4. Voice and visual search dominate the SERPs. Here's the reality. The way we search has completely changed. With the rise of voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, voice search now drives nearly 50% of online queries. And it doesn't stop there. Visual search tools on platforms like Google Lens are helping people discover products, images, and even places using just photos. How do you optimize for these? Voice search optimization. Focus on natural, conversational language in your content. People are now searching with phrases like, "Where's the best cafe near me?" rather than typing "best cafe." Use long-tail keywords and answer direct questions. Visual search. Optimize images with high-quality visuals, descriptive alt tags, and detailed metadata. If you sell physical products, ensure your images are listed properly through image search tools. Platforms like Pinterest have also leaned heavily into visual search, so consider leveraging these channels. Thinking ahead, voice and visual search will only grow. Get optimized now and beat your competitors before they even realize what's happening. 5. User experience, UX, is the new king. In 2025, SEO isn't just about what's on your page, it's all about how your audience experiences it. Google's core web vitals are still shaping rankings, which means site speed, mobile usability, and interactivity remain critical metrics. Ask yourself, is your audience having a seamless experience on your site? If not, here's what to do. Speed up your site. Did you know that by 2025, users expect a website to load in under 2 seconds, or they'll bounce? Compress images, use content delivery networks, CDNs, and ensure your server is optimized. Mobile-first design. Over 70% of traffic now comes from mobile devices, making mobile-first indexing even more important than ever. Always test your site's design, navigation, and speed on smartphones. Simplify navigation. Keep navigation stress-free with intuitive layouts and easy-to-find menus or call-to-action buttons. Remember, Google wants the best experience for its users and will reward websites that prioritize that experience. 6. Local SEO gets smarter. Think hyperlocal. If you're a local business, local SEO is no longer optional. In 2025, the competition for localized searches has intensified, fueled by better hyperlocal search algorithms. Don't just think citywide, think neighborhood-specific. What's working now? Hyperlocal keywords. Use specific terms in your content. For example, best pizza delivery in downtown Seattle will perform better than just best pizza in Seattle. Zero-click searches. Google's local results now focus on quick answers, maps, and Google My Business listings. Ensure your profile is fully optimized, including high-quality images, reviews, and responses to customer queries. Encourage reviews. Reviews still dominate. Positive reviews aren't just about customer trust, they're a local SEO ranking factor. Ask your happy customers to share their feedback. Pro tip: as people rely more on location-based searches with wearables and smart devices, having a hyperlocal strategy will give you a big advantage. 7. Prepare for algorithm shifts. Future-proof your SEO. You won't believe this, but in 2025, Google processes trillions of searches annually and updates its algorithm more frequently than ever. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be proactive about adapting to these updates. Here's how to future-proof your SEO strategy. Adapt to core web vitals. Ensure your site ranks well by constantly reviewing your metrics for speed, interactivity, and visual stability. Use data to adapt. Dive into tools like Google Analytics 4 and Search Console to track keyword shifts, bounce rates, and top-performing content. Balance trends and timeless tactics. While trends like AI and visual search are growing, don't abandon the basics. Keywords, backlinks, and high-quality content always matter. Think of algorithm changes as opportunities, not hurdles. Keep refining your strategies, staying informed, and experimenting with what works best for your audience. SEO is a long-term game, and staying flexible is the key to winning it. Final thoughts. SEO in 2025 is all about adaptability. Wow, we've traveled through so many ideas together today. As you can see, SEO in 2025 isn't just a checklist. It's a dynamic process that blends smart technology, quality content, and audience-focused strategies. Now it's time for you to take action. Which of these strategies are you most excited to try? Is it optimizing for voice search, diving into AI-powered tools, or improving your site's UX? Share your plans in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and help you along the way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share it with someone who wants to crush their SEO game in 2025. Let's keep chasing those top rankings together. See you in the next one.